Hey Rosebudz, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I brought you guys this look here. A very summer, spring, glitter cut crease, as you would say. And I used the Sonny Cosmetics glitter in California Soul. I got this at IMAX and I just fell in love with it when I saw it, so I knew I had to get it and do a look with it. And then I also used my Juvia's Place The Festival palette as well for this look. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you are new, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stick around and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye.
Hey guys! Alright, so let's get into this video. I'm not gonna do too much of a voiceover just because my allergies are killing me and I sound very, very stuffy. But I'm just showing you guys the main three colors that I am using in the palette. And then I just pretty much go in with placing and then blending out and all that good stuff. For the whole cut crease process, I think I just used a concealer to clean up that sharpness that I needed. And then I went in with the Sonny Cosmetics glitter glue, and then I went in with the glitter. Now, at first, I wasn't sure what the heck I was going to do, and I did forget to put powder underneath the eyes once I figured out I was going to do glitter, because, yeah, it was a lot of glitter everywhere. But if you are going to do any glitter looks, I would suggest doing the eyes first and then doing your base, just because you will have a mess with glitters. You guys are going to see glitter's going to be everywhere. So I had to really use a big fluffy brush to just kind of brush everything off. But yeah, I don't remember which lipstick I used. I think I just used a gloss. I don't remember. But yeah, everything will be listed down below in the description bar. All the products I used, lashes, what I use for my face, and all that good stuff. But I am gonna just stop talking because I feel like I'm gonna have to sneeze. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy. Love you bunches. See ya.